Hello, my name is Abigail Johnston, and this video is an analyzation of Tim Baxter's body language during his apology video. His apology covers problems with the Samsung Note 7 crisis. Tim Baxter is the president and chief of operations at Samsung. Through most of this video, he does not show very much emotion. I will point out the few messages that he does send with his body and talk about how I interpret his message. The first time you see his hands, he is moving it downward. This is a sign of emphasis. When he does this, he is apologizing to people who are personally affected by the issue. He never goes into detail about what happened with the phones. He only ever states that there was a battery issue. He goes on about how sorry they are to the people who are affected and stated that they are going to do everything they can to gain back their customers' trust. He talks about how they are partnering with people to fix the problem. He states how many phones they have recovered and explains the new lithium-ion battery that they have designed to install in the phones. Later in the video, he does two more hand gestures that are the same as the first one. The second time he moves his hand downward, he is stating that the new battery is safe for all Samsung users. The third time he repeats this hand gesture, he is asking Note 7 owners to please power down their phones and return them if they haven't already, for safety reasons. Overall, you can tell he actually does care about the message he is sending. He used his body language to provide emphasis to the most important parts of his message. Every time he used his hands, he was talking about customers and their safety. Based on his body language, I would say this is a true apology. Thank you for your time.